Instead of taking all my plants out of my grow room and bringing them outside to harden them off, can I run an air conditioner on low in my grow room to harden off my plants? And this is Greg from Messina, New York. I get to thinking.
That's
yeah,
a very interesting train of thought that he had.
Right.
I mean, I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately,
Yeah.
it's really not going to work because the outside air fluctuates from night to day.
Right.
And that's the kind of thing that helps harden off the plants,
That's right.
not just colder temperatures or something like that. It's the fluctuation from day to night temperatures that helps harden off the plant.
Yeah, I can see what he was thinking there, but
Yeah.
get them outside. You know,
They have to go outside.
A couple of hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shaded place, and then of course I'll say for the next week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, introduce them to more light.
Yeah.
More light, you know, each day, and that will get them to harden off the way they should be done. So that's how you properly harden off your plants. But I see it though. I see what you're trying to do. All right, so Greg, I hope that helps you out. Again, put them in a shaded place for about a couple of hours, and then for the next week and a half, 2 weeks, introduce them to more sunlight, and I think you'll be fine.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.